So I'm trading rise and fall using the three indicators that I've added, that is moving average, CCI, and the MACD. I'll work with robot number 8, that is the rebel. I'll set the market on fall, that's where we are. Volatility is 50. Let me set it well. Time frame, I'll work with 5 minutes, market is fall. Okay, so I'm going to stake with $15. I have an account of 232 USD. Moving average. If the moving average, first indicator, moving average is above the candles that are forming, candles above or below being red, market prediction becomes fall. Okay, that is the moving average. Remember that you can always add the CCI. CCI is an indicator that works with a specific scale, and you can see. So if the CCI is facing downwards, and this is the line we call the CCI, generating what we call negative numbers below the 0.00 mark or scale, we shall be trading the market fall. Okay, the opposite will definitely work. Let me change this volatility to a different volatility so that we can get at least a prediction. Okay, that is better. Let's see 101S. Let's see 101S. The best markets here, the markets are rising. We can this is volatility 100, 101S, sorry, 101S iko pale, market is rise. Then I'll work with 5 minutes time frame. Number of ticks hapo to maintain one. Okay, so now one, make sure that you have added your timer tunaadia hapa. You click on this part, more settings, then you click on countdown to back close. Okay, then you'll have your timer, it's here. Amount of time that the candle will take to open and close, that is what we call the timer. Okay, so remember the market is rise and fall. Okay, and we are looking at market trends. Okay, movement of the candles. Where is our moving average? Number one, moving average is below candles that are forming. Candle above are green. Market prediction is rise, confirmed by the moving MACD. Sorry, strong green candles. Remember on the MACD, I talked about you trading on the strong red candles or the strong green candles. Blue line of the MACD on top of the orange line of the MACD facing upwards, having a confirmation of the stronger green candles will give us a confirmation of the market rise. CCI above 0.00 scale, this one, producing positive numbers facing upwards, we will be trading. Market prediction is always rise. Okay, so entry point, I'll wait for this cursor, not cursor, candle to move downwards 2 times, then I join the market. Let's see the retest ratio 1. That was a good entry, I missed it. 1. Let's see, falling 2 times, then I join the market. Let's see. Let's see 1. Let's see 1 and 2, then I join the market rise. Okay, market rise, first exit it gave us 12 USD, second exit ikatupatia another 12 USD, then lastly we got a loss, then a massive recovery because the markets are still okay, then I stop my bot. Okay, 34 USD already are printed on that specific market. Okay, now the strategy is quite simple. Okay, most common retest ratios are you wait for the candle to drop 2 times, then you join on the second retest. Ikishuka chini mara mbili, ya pili ndo unaingia nayo. Okay, that candle has a chance of moving upwards 3 times. Okay, so the best thing is you join the market on the second retest. Okay, so first thing is you make a confirmation of the MACD that it's giving you stronger green candles, or that is for rise, or strong red candles, that is for fall. Okay, some people have asked me, Prof, how do we set the trading view? So trading view, you find it on different traders. You can always find it on those icons and the charts. Let me remove these indicators, then I show you how to add them. Okay, first, far right here, you click on it, then you delete, you have your volatilities. Pick any volatility that you feel like. If the strategy is for the 1S or the plane, pick it. Okay. On the second slot, we have what you call the time frame, amount of time that the candle is taking to open and close. Okay, so you can always work with 5 minutes time frame, 10 minutes time frame, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 3 minutes, but anything below three, if you want to become profitable soon, avoid that. Okay, then you have your indicators here. Now, here you come and search, let's say, moving average, that indicator. It's here yenye iko peke yake, you click on it, then you exit. So the blue line you're seeing cutting across the candles, either becoming coming above or below the candles, that is what we call the moving average. Then you come again and search, let's say, the CCI commodity channel index. You click it once, don't click twice. Come again and search now your third indicator, that is what we call the MACD. Okay, remember this, indicators do not work as a single. You can't work with one indicator and say that you want to get a market prediction. You must work with this as a pair of two or a three. Okay, so make sure that you follow the following disclaimers. All indicators must give you same or similar prediction. If one indicator tells you that the market is rising and the other gives you a prediction of the market fall, you do not trade. Another thing, if you have added the timer, okay, on this part, make sure that you don't just enter the market if the candle has just started forming or the timer started counting, or the market is about to close or the timer is about to lapse. Okay, you join the market if at least the markets have 2 minutes remaining or even 1 minute. You snipe the market. We only trade on candles that have given us a steady growth or has shown what you call momentum. We don't trade on all candles. Candles with mass or bodies, those are the candles that we consider as viable candles that we can trade. Okay, so we are on our volatility, time frame, indicators. Then you come to timer on this icon below here. Click on it, more settings. If ukose timer, countdown to bar close. If I tick, you see, check here. If I untick, inapotea. If I tick, the timer is there. The work of the timer is at least to give you a glimpse of how long the control has remained for it to close. Okay, so that is how you do your setup for the market rise and fall. Site is different traders, bot that is well designed for rise and fall. It's called the Rebel. Robot number 8. Just subscribe to this amazing channel to enable us grow and reach so many people so that they may benefit with these free lessons. Okay, so we always have our live trades. Immediately I make a strategy on our live tradings, waga, I post it here. So make sure that you are here and you have subscribed. Do not watch this video if you have not subscribed. Let me take at least 5 seconds and give you a chance to subscribe to this amazing channel. So 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thank you. Come on, subscribe. And remember that knowledge is power. Have this knowledge and always benefit. This is different traders. We have just made our profit. So utakuja kwa hizi icons, you can always find a very good derivative trading view. Repata, okay? Iko kwa charts. This part you find, click on derivative trading view, you find your charts ziko pale. Okay, so don't be left out. Just log in and trade on the site different traders. It's free, nobody is charging you anything. Okay, trade and make money, thank me later. Okay, that market is rise and fall using the indicators. Number 1, moving average default length, CCI default length, and MACD default length. Okay, so CCI should be either above the 0.00 scale that is on this part facing upwards for a stronger rise. Then for fall, it should be below 0.00 mark facing downwards, generating what we call negative numbers for a stronger fall. Okay, remember the MACD, we only trade on the strong green candles or the strong red candles. We don't trade on the undecided or the faded green candles or faded red candles. Remember, that is a mandatory thing. MACD is used to make market confirmations. If you find that the two indicators CCI and moving average have given you a prediction of the market rise, throw your eyes on the MACD to confirm if the candle that is there is strong green. The opposite still works. Prof, what's the work of all these icons? I don't need you to understand how they work. They are not necessary in this game, rise and fall. I'll also be dropping more strategies and entry points of the market rise and fall. The two retest ratio entry point method becomes one of the best. Just wait for rise market candle to drop down 2 times. Then on the second drop in, you join the market rise. If it is fall, wait for the candle to rise upwards 2 times. On the second rise, you join the market fall. You join the market fall. Make sure you observe candle to be on momentum.